When reading long PDFs, it is easy to lose track of important points. Students need to highlight key topics, and professionals often need to review reports and mark changes. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to highlight text and make clear notes inside any PDF. There are many PDF tools available, but for safety, security, and privacy, we'll use an offline tool called Systweak PDF Editor. You can download and install it from the link given in the description. Let us begin. Open Systweak PDF Editor on your Windows PC. Once your file is open, go to the Comment tab at the top. This section contains all the tools you need for highlighting, marking, and adding notes. Let us start with highlighting. To highlight text, click on the Highlight tool and then drag over the lines you want to mark. You can change the highlight color if needed. You can also change the highlight color to organize your notes. To add notes, click the Note tool and then click anywhere on the page. A note icon will appear. Double-click it to write or read your comment. For quick text marking, you have three tools. Use underline to mark important words. Use strike through to show text that should be removed. Use the squiggly line tool to mark areas that need attention. If you want to draw freely, use the freehand line tool and draw directly on the PDF. To remove anything, just select it and press delete. The Shapes tool lets you add rectangles, circles, or arrows to your PDF. This is useful when you want to highlight a specific area or point something out clearly. Once you are done marking your document, remember to save your file. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment your questions, and share this video with others.